cold and raw, the north winds blow black in the morning early. When all the hills were covered with snow, then it was a winter fairly. As I roved out o'er the moor, I met a farmer's daughter. Her cherry cheeks and sloe black eyes, they caused my heart to falter. I bowed my cowbin very low to let her know my meaning. She answered with a courteous smile, her looks they were engaging. "Where are you bound, my pretty maid? It's now in the morning early." The answer that she made to me, "Kind sir, to sell me barley." Guineas I've in my purse and 20 more, that's yearly. You need not go to the market town, for I'll buy all your barley. If 20 guineas would gain the heart of the maid I love so dearly, all for to tarry with me one night and go home in the morning early. As I was riding o'er the moor the very evening after, it was my fortune for to meet the farmer's only daughter. Although the weather being cold and raw, with her I thought to parley. This answer then she made to me, "Kind sir, I've sold me barley."